到一棵樹生長，其實係需要好多時間嘅。咁而我覺得帶俾我哋嘅人類學到嘅嘢，其實係好多嘅咯。即係如果小朋友見到，其實一棵樹唔係咁簡單，你食嘅嘢其實唔係咁簡單嘅。要需要時間去栽培嘅，所以就其實見到佢生長得咁靚，其實係一件好事嚟嘅咯。所以maybe also我自己係天性係比較 attract to nature，所以會有少少即係 attach 咯，即係有少少覺得好心痛咯。一個活生生嘅嘢就要俾人斬開咗，係咯。
因為我覺得始終香港人都係未搞清楚同大自然共存嗰個關係啊！即係你其實係發展同埋大自然係其實可以係並存嘅嘢。咁但係大家都好冇將呢個環保嘅意識咧，即係去 considerate 呢一樣嘢咯。咁我覺得棵樹喺度咁多年啦，即係20幾年，點解要斬咗佢咧？咁有冇方法係可以保存佢咧？始終係要咁耐嘅時間係種一棵咁大嘅樹，可以俾人唞涼啊！遮陰啊，同埋對個環境嗰個美觀上面嘅嘢係好好咯。
I'm a landscaper by trade, so 17 years of landscaping in Australia, so horticulturist and landscaping, so yeah. Well, I think structurally the wall is still sound. They could have pinned the wall. They could have done some underpinning to the wall to make it structural. And I guess the cost of what they're doing now to remove the tree, and then the cost to obviously the restaurant now not having that. The tree's been removed, so now the area is quite barren and desolate. So the best thing they could have done is just pin the wall. They could have done some extra pinning to the wall, drilled into the wall, core filled it with concrete and pinned the wall.
How much do you think the extra cost would be?
It would have been
compared to what they're doing now.
It would have been the same. It would have been the same cost with less obstruction and less mess. The restaurant now could lose sales. Who knows? Like, this is a really nice area to come down into. The trees were here. It's quite nice and peaceful. Removing trees isn't the answer. The wall is still cracked. You're still going to get moisture in behind the wall. The wall still could fall over.
They said they are going to put some cement on the wall to fix it. So you think it's just cosmetic, right?
That's cosmetic. That's not structural.
Right.
To fix that wall properly, it needs to be pinned. So you need some structural pinning in behind and to tie the wall back into. You're not going anything they do on the face of that wall is purely cosmetic and it's not going to do anything.
真可惜嘅呢啲嘢係嘛，有新有舊，唉，真可惜嘅。你做耐啲人你就明㗎啦，你後生仔而家讀書啲人唔明嘅，到出嚟社會做事揾食你就知道㗎啦，啊，跟住犧牲㗎嘛，係咪先？